Exercise number 2, feeling spent. Spend kindness on others. At some point in your day, especially when you're stressed or feel like you don't have any bandwidth to spare, spend some time in some small way, whether it's I think I wrote that a little bit wrong, whether it's in your time, energy, or money on someone else in your life. So you're going to, if you're starting to feel drained, exhausted, tired, overworked, stressed out, take a break from whatever you're doing that's making you feel that way and go invest some energy and time into someone else. Send a text message of support to someone who's having a hard time. When you're running errands, pick up your partner's favorite coffee or whatever it is. Carry an older neighbor's groceries upstairs. Building empathy isn't necessarily about donating half your salary to charity. It's about the little things that we do each day. It's about habits of mind. That's what it really comes down to, habits of mind. It could be something as simple as, this is really all what we're talking about here is service to others.